Welcome to another Nexus Snap video. Today I want to walk you through the premium apps, guys. I want to show you how to use these apps, at least one of the main ones. I want to show you a promo with one of the best ones and how to get started with Nexus Snap. So you're going to come in here, you're going to sign up for your free apps. A lot of you may have these, some you may not. So what you're going to do is click on each one of these. You're going to read everything and you're going to scroll down, and this will be your sponsor's referral link. So this will be my referral link. So you want to go create an account and come back and put your referral link. And make sure you read the fine print. Make sure there's a HTTPS. So for free members, they can come in and download these free apps. These free apps right here and be your referral. What happens is, for example, with Fetch, when people start uploading their receipts and getting points, you're going to get points as well. For Upside, they have another referral commission as well. So when people start saving money on gas, you're going to get a small commission as well. With Rukatan, you see they have one of the best deals, and that's what we're going to talk about. You're going to get $30 of whatever you want for free if you buy 30. Spend 30. So when your members get $30, spend $30, you're going to get $30 back. So just with the free included apps, this is a way to make more money, you know, because the average person with these apps, they don't know how the referral programs work, and they don't have, you know, a platform to funnel people in to even take advantage of these rewards programs. So just with that, you can earn some commissions. So we're going to come back to Rukatan, and I just want to shortly, you know, show you the paid apps that come with Nexus. So you have all these, you need to use them. Create an account, follow the steps. You know, if you want to submit your bills and you want to see if you can get a discount, click here, follow your steps. This is for anyone using prescriptions. You know, click here, get your NXR X card. The shopping boss, you're going to want to check this out. This is powerful. So what's going to happen is, say you're going somewhere, you're going to be able to literally buy a virtual gift card of whatever the total is, and you're going to be able to use this platform and pay for your order with this virtual gift card, and it's going to give you cash back. It's going to show you what cash back that you get. The only, you know, hidden thing to keep in mind is some places might ask you to print it out. So, you know, you can call in case to make sure you don't have to print anything out, etc. But this is a good way to have some cash back as well. And then one of our next biggest detailed benefits is you get the Pro Zoom for only $12.99 a month, when it's usually $50, $70 a month. You get that for $12.99. So let's get over to Rukatan. I want to show you a few things in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to Rukatan. You're going to be able to scroll through here, and under wallet, make sure you add whatever debit card that you're going to be using in stores or online. That's the cool thing. So some of these discounts will be in store as well. So you can link your card, and every time you swipe your card, it will link to your Rukatan app. So if we see hot deals, let's show you exactly how it works, because this is one of the best apps, best free apps we have. So you see here it's showing up to 80% off flights, but you get 2% cash back, 4% cash back. Top coupons, 3% cash back, 10% cash back, 2% on stuff you were already going to buy. So if you're someone that wants to really start putting money back in your pockets, start paying attention to this stuff. A lot of us, you know, push it to the side. But why not have money? Why not every time you spend, you get a few dollars back? It's just like getting a few dollars off your order. Why not, you know? So one of the biggest ones I want to show you, they also have Temu. So they have Temu here. So a lot of you are shopping on here, so you can link your debit card that you use on Rukatan and that you're going to use on Temu and get 12% cash back. It was 2%. It's 12%. So imagine shopping on already, you know, low prices website and then getting money back as well. They have it on everything. So you want to really start using this. And if you come over here to 3 times cash back, here's all the places that give you way more cash back. So if you're shopping at any of these places, Instacart, Temu, AliExpress, let's see some more, Bed Bath and Beyond. Scroll down and it shows you all Lowe's. You know, online it shows you which ones are online. Macy's, Nike, Neiman Marcus, PetSmart. I know a lot of people shop at PetSmart. 2% in store, but 12% online. And the list goes on. So if we click on just to show you how it works, you see we're on the site now. But if you look in the hyperlink, it's already coded. So when you make your purchase on here, it's going to reflect on your Rukatan account. That's the power, and it's all going to show in your balance. So when you have cash back in here, it's going to show in your balance. Just make sure you scroll through my account settings in my wallet, and make sure your card is active. And it's under the my wallet option. That's where you add your card. And if you click on the refer and earn, this is where you come and get your Rukatan referral link, and you put it in your Nexus back office. Just make sure you put the HTT part in there. If you see right here, I have one pending bonus. So when this person goes and purchases $30 worth of stuff on Rakuten, I will get my $30. So it's really that simple. Nexus Rewards is a simple program. It's an amazing thing just to have. You're loaded with, you know, apps and services to save you money. So use it. A lot of you are, you know, you shop a lot. You shop a lot, so you'll save way more money. You know, especially every time you go to the grocery store, getting gas, anything you can think of, you can find a savings in here.